Okay, my people, now welcome to today's matter. What would they call DEY RED, aka This is not the only program will give you that license for you to talk news when you see for TV, you hear them for radio, they do a proco part, you hear them. You bring her come here, we'll go talk and the way this go to tori for body, but at the end, na joke. Yes. Because you go there wrong, say you hear, say 4 Nigerian comedians were beaten.
After much popo. But we thank God for democracy anyway. The evidence of democracy we are enjoying.
But at the same time, I need to know that freedom of speech, we can guarantee. But freedom after speech, now we know inside.
There will be freedom of beating.
This is not the matter what they call DEY RED, and as usual, my name is Elenu, comedian of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and I'm even a husband on a guy and on a nigga twice. Shields. Of course, I get my brothers them here. We be like all of us they sit down as the parliament of this house to discuss any matter where they happen for this Obodo Nigeria. Sit down close to me like we go talk. I'm now what they call Fred, aka MC Shaggy. That's all.
That's all.
I seated closely to him, and so Ibo man go talk him again. Now the Otota one of Nigerian comedy, aka married man, hashtag I just married.
Honestly spoken. You talk about bros, not be lie. I must read. DEY RED.
And of course, the only bachelor for this parliament. The oldest bachelor of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
Must you add bachelor?
Will you keep quiet?
Bachelor title.
Yes, as you can see, he's dressed as a bachelor. You see, we will not marry now. We just dress the way we like, because we don't come up for show glass. But you now, you need to shine your car where you need to put spray polish.
Oh my God! I remember last year. Now me I don't have the tackle. Now I don't free.
Who no go no because now who wear shoe? Now no wear for the pay.
Which shoe you wear? Since when they pay you for leg? If you wear shoe for leg, you don't go buy palm.
Anyway, and I welcome to the program. My name is Shakara, and all these married men, they school fees now. They think now they talk here. But no wala, we do.
I beg, I won't put my children for government school where they pay past PT meeting.
Okay.
Of course, talking about children where they go school, when they tell them, I say, anytime when you go school, not be every teacher where they teach you. Now they are here too correct like that. Some teacher where they teach you, they need you to pay 100% attention to what they teach you. Because for Nigeria, some teachers, when they flog you, next time when they come to class, you go know say you need to pay attention. This one got shocked me. So now Igbo woman, now Igbo man. Now be this one. When we see this video, we can see what happen inside. Man, don't talk past like this.
La clase anterior habíamos estado viendo un poquito el inicio de lo que es el análisis financiero. En esta clase vamos a ver los 4 grupos de índices que miden o que tratan de medir la información financiera de una empresa. El primero hace relación con la capacidad que tiene una empresa para hacer sus pagos. El segundo grupo de índices tiene que ver con el endeudamiento que tiene una empresa, la capacidad de endeudamiento que tiene una empresa para hacer frente con sus pasivos.
First of all, I want to recommend say that teacher don't play baseball before. Just for that to stone straight to the head.
See the difference between these Moyibo people and we, the Africans. If na African man now, we see that kind of thing. Now king, you don't want to know your size, though. Yes. You there, stand up. Come aside. And now 2 things they man, either in the eye the girl and you call it disturb her. You don't
Shakara, that one is some go tell you say get up. Do what you do that time.
Do what you
do that time.
You know that time you come say, sir?
What I do? You dey lie again.
No wait. Will you do it?
Okay now.
But I get one sad experience. Shall not be me but now for our teacher. You know, something like that be happen. Out of annoyance now, cane intro. When you go throw the cane, you know sometimes where you send message, go no be there, you go. Yeah. The cane just go hit one girl for eye, and so you get it blind that eye. Funny enough, now that man married the girl. You get parents say you go marry him straight up.
Now let me give kudos to this one now because intro and direct. You be like, who don't throw baseball? You think go where the center go?
Today very peaceful. For now, what he got this.
For the starting, go bad though.
Okay. Also, when they talk this thing, say what a man can do a woman can do better. This one now also another classroom. But at this time, at this point in time, you know, can be woman, you know, can be man teacher, it can be woman. Because see what she do for our own class.
ข้อหนึ่งสามารถเข้าถึงประชาชนได้ทุกจุดนะคะไม่ว่าจะอยู่ต่างจังหวัดหรือว่าที่ใดในกรุงเทพหรือต่างจังหวัดเราก็สามารถรับฟังวิทยุได้ราคาถูกสร้างความสนุกสนานเพลิดเพลินเพราะว่าเดี๋ยวนี้ดีเจจะทำหน้าที่ให้เราเนี่ยได้อยากฟังวิทยุมากขึ้นผู้รับได้อย่างรวดเร็วหมายความว่าไงหมายความว่าเอาใหม่นะคะผู้รับหรือผู้ฟังมีความรู้สึกใกล้ชิด
Oh my God.
You know what you see me for my life for this is? She just collect the thing, break her power, like who collect sock. Don't go back to the board.
Like say nothing dey happen.
As I dey talk.
But that teacher supposed to work for last month. He collect phone for drivers.
No, if that woman work for Nigeria police, they will not break people for way. People will call the lookouts for her.
You know, say in those days, where we say we dey get all those boy from school, where they big, where they get baby, he dey primary 4.
Yes,
he call the maker with a Nokia, no be even.
Teacher
He come collect am break am.
You don't have
I rest my case.
That voice.
Now there end.
you know, say I get one experience like that after my secondary school. I come now teaching work I first do. First work or teaching work.
Oh, wonder this guy, you know, old
I'm on the last man finish story. Well, then, get this girl, very stubborn girl. They disturb for class anyhow. Now I carry this girl flog. I flog this girl finish. But I don't know say now the girl papa they support the school.
Hey.
As in no some parents say they pay school fees ahead. The following day, 9 proprietor call me, sit me down. Don't say the girl papa and the 4 brothers, I see they hefty. Say, teacher Lucky, what did you do yesterday? I said the girl was rude and I beat him. You beat her. Okay. Do you know this man? I said no. He's the father to the girl. Do you know these boys? No. They are the brothers to the girl. Now, this man pays school fees ahead.
Yeah.
If you want to lose this job, beat another child. Go boy. He said now, begin to apologize. Painfully to the girl.
Lucky, they won't
apologize to the
get
girl.
time, go they explain to you. Some people go use one word, you go catch the message. They say, so you go they beat the pillar of the school. No. The fence of the school, you won't follow our school fence. They say, sir, no push fence. Say, you don't push fence. Okay, you go no.
That a parable.
Not a parable.
No. You won't follow our school.
Hey, what is enough for the wise?
That's why some teacher they carry beats, but I like what that woman do. She tried.
No. Please don't try this in Nigeria.
Seriously, don't try it, Sha. But still on this matter of education, we even they relate. This thing surprise us also. Because we hear to say 30 years below, now if you go serve for Nigeria as NYSC. But if you don't do 30 years above, they will give you a exemption letter. Make you just relax. But bros, make you see this picture. Whether this man are 30 years below, make you check him.
No.
Check away.
No. What you get?
You see the problem why they talk about the economy.
Yes,
The book they say, man don't talk about the economy,
Yes.
man don't talk about the government. Why I go see this kind of thing? I don't go at this age where we say strike, school go strike. Some people go even get carried over. Before person go graduate from university, you go don't own. The same thing I make, and some people go graduate. You know, in those days when they graduate, they pray for oil company. Nowadays, even ground oil company, we don't go
Even smoke fish company. No, but what me I think say, if I say that man, now one of the alumnus of that particular camp.
And that
one of the life
and that
patrons.
say maybe not tea.
One of their life patrons.
Yeah, you don't tea for the school. They don't beg and graduate, don't agree. And they compensate them.
Or maybe in go jail. You know, say some students where they lock them up. Or when they come free, maybe they give her like 10 years or 15 years. When they free them, because they must grad. Because they watch TV, which the National Open University, they do their convocation. They come, 2 of the students will graduate now from prison. That shocked me. That means our government, we are trying someone. Person they prison and in their school. They send the exam for them.
No, that one not the prison.
No,
Shakara na said. You don't know how fast.
I always tell you guys, go out of your busy schedule, watch things, just
Listen to the what kind of us they jobless as you?
I tell you,
We have jobs. We have work we are doing.
Prisoners graduate.
You know how far Kirikiri there from BI?
Oh, but now, seriously, you know, if that man can't finish in service now where you want work? Because one thing is to use that age serve, another thing is to find work where require
No,
that.
that kind of man. That man
for
go.
NYC now.
He go work for fire service, especially with the pick phone.
Oh God, help this country, man.
Yeah, so so my people the thing they be for a year for the matter what they call they read this now the parliament and this now the house where they sit down to discuss matter where you see you here or they tell you for approval. We're gonna not go anywhere. We'll just enter backyard, drink small water. We will come back. On I go hear more story. Don't go anywhere. We is coming back.